You might hear people say quantity surveying is a well-paid occupation, but how much do QSs actually earn? We last created a video on this topic back in 2021, and as you can imagine, a lot of things have changed since then. Going forward, we'll be creating a new salary-based video every year. In this video, we will explore the potential salary expectations at each level of quantity surveying, ranging from apprentice QS all the way to commercial manager. Please remember that the figures quoted in this video are based on national averages in the UK. Pay can vary substantially based on several factors, with the most influential being location. Okay, on with the video. Number 1. Apprentice or trainee. £24,500. If you're fortunate enough to secure a position with an employer who is willing to fund your education, it's likely you'll join as an apprentice or trainee QS. You might think this is a low salary, but unlike people who are studying full-time at university, you'll be gaining valuable on-the-job experience while receiving a free education. We believe this is an outstanding opportunity for anyone aiming to get their career started in quantity surveying. Number 2. Assistant or graduate QS. £32,500. This role is for people who've just completed a degree in quantity surveying or received a promotion from trainee/apprentice QS. At this level, you'll most likely start to obtain responsibility for managing your own projects or work packages. You will have a mentor or line manager who will be either a QS or a senior QS and will ensure you're on the right track to progress into an experienced quantity surveyor. Number 3. Quantity surveyor. £51,000. You've made it. A fully qualified, experienced all singing, all dancing quantity surveyor. And better yet, you still have more room to progress. At this stage, you'll likely have at least 5 to 10 years experience in the industry. Here, you can enjoy the fruits of your hard work, or even embark on obtaining chartership. Number 4. Senior QS. £62,000. At this stage, you'll be a foundation of knowledge in the world of quantity surveying. Aspiring QSs will travel far and wide across the lands to hear your wisdom. Okay, maybe they won't travel across lands, but you'll certainly be able to give solid commercial advice and use your experience to mentor junior surveyors. At this stage, you may opt to be a freelance senior QS. As a freelance senior, you can look to charge a day rate of around £500. Number 5. Managing QS. £69,500. If you think you've got the leadership skills to manage a team of quantity surveyors, this will be the role for you. You don't necessarily need any more experience than a senior QS to reach this level. However, you will need to know how to successfully manage people, delegate work and create management processes to ensure a streamlined commercial process. And finally, number 6. Commercial manager. £76,000. The salary expectations for commercial managers can vary greatly depending on the level of responsibility which is held. At this level, you will be responsible for the commercial aspects of a business sector. This can be anything from a large framework to multiple construction projects. You'll need to ensure that the correct people, procedures, and contracts are in place to ensure the business is profitable and there's sufficient level of work in the pipeline to ensure future commercial success. You'll need to have good risk management and financial reporting abilities. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.